Well, how about a 2023 70th Anniversary Corvette with less than 500 miles on it? You're getting a new car, but you're going to save a lot of money. This is a beautiful 2023 Chevrolet Corvette 70th Anniversary Stingray Z51 3LT Convertible. What a beautiful car this is. We can't give you all the description here in this video, but go to our website, check details and pricing at buyavette.net. Wow. This car is carbon flash on the exterior, has the ceramic white interior with red stitching, and under the hood, a 495 horsepower LT2 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $11,450 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the GT2 seats, leather instrument panel, door panel, center console, color-keyed suede upper trim on the interior, has the heads-up display, Bose 14-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls and navigation. This car has the performance data recorder, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, power-heated folding side mirrors with turn indicators, auto-dimming driver's side, and it also has the blind spot zone alert, cross traffic, everything you can imagine on this car is on it. Rear camera, front view camera as well. It also has a $6,345 Z51 performance package. You know you're getting a great deal on this car. All of these things come in, as we said, less than 500 miles on this car. The other thing that's special about this car is the $5,995 70th anniversary package. This happens to include the torch red seat belts, suede microfiber wrapped steering wheel, red caliper override, 20-spoke midnight gray wheels with red stripe, premium travel bags. Yes, travel bags come with this car with the 70th anniversary logos, and it also has that 70th anniversary badging and, of course, the center caps. This is a car you need to take a great look at. Look here, go to our pictures on our website as well, check out the pricing, and you'll find this may be the car for you. It's in our showroom, it's on our showroom floor, and we can ship it to you nationwide or worldwide. Give us a call. You'll find it a lot less expensive than you might ever imagine. We are buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We specialize in online sales. You can do it with ease. More importantly, you can do it with confidence. Give us a call real soon, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.